Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and removing the battery. This prevents shocks or short circuits. Once done, position the Ad200 head on a clean, static-free mat and keep a magnetic tray nearby for screws. Use a #0 Phillips to remove external screws. You will need a spudger to gently pry clips because the head is held by plastic tabs. Make sure to note screw locations as you go. This saves time when reassembling and prevents lost parts. Once the housing is open, remove the internal bracket screws and lift the housing tabs carefully. These tabs can snap if forced. Next, locate and release the ribbon cable lock. Slide the latch and gently pull the ribbon straight out to avoid tearing. Disconnect the flash capsule connector by pressing its clip while supporting the PCB with your other hand, because sudden movement can stress solder joints. If you see springs or small clips, use tweezers to capture them. Now lift the head assembly straight up, keeping wires aligned so you do not pull contacts loose. If a cable resists, stop and recheck fasteners. After removal, inspect connectors and clean any corrosion or debris with 90% plus isopropyl. This improves contact and prevents misfires. To finish, reassemble in the reverse order, torque screws snugly but do not over-tighten, and test the unit with a fresh battery. If the head won't power, check ribbon seating and connector pins first. Misseating is the most common fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.